In a typical install where the Royal Spa crew is bringing your hot tub to your house, we would like to see a flat level surface that can be pea gravel or a deck or concrete. We'd like to see an electrical box that has a coil of wire hanging out of it, and we'd like to see a hose that's available, that's connected onto your house and is not frozen. When we get there, we are going to set the tub, make sure that it's flat and level, and then we will start the garden hose into it as they grab onto the wire that comes out of the disconnect. They'll route it over, they'll bring it up through the fiberglass pan on the bottom of the Royal Spa, and then they will make that connection while the water is going in. The person will be getting a lifter bar. That lifter bar has to be mounted on the outside so that the cover goes in the direction that you want it to go in order to block the wind or to block the view from the next door neighbor. So we're going to be asking for direction on where you think it would be most conveniently located based on the way that your house faces. So these are the things we're looking for. We want a flat level surface. It can be pea gravel, it can be sand, it can be a deck, it can be concrete, electrical coming out of a disconnect box that's long enough wire to get to the pumping system, and we're going to be looking for a garden hose to fill it with.